All right, guys, so we finally made it out to the field. We got the batteries charged up. The Aeroscout is ready for its first takeoff.
Yeah.
I don't know how this is gonna go. It's a little breezy out here. I don't know if you call it breezy, but the flags are sometimes standing straight out. I don't know. It might be a little windy today, but we like to have fun, so we're gonna give it a shot.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go for it. All right, guys, a little breezy out here. You can see that it's a little breezy, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. So it's easy. You just put the battery up in the front here, and hey, you got that remote on? Okay, and yeah, see, we got stuff blowing away. Okay, it's gonna beep, and we're gonna see if everything works here. Like I said, it's a little breezy. Probably not the best day to try it, but you know, we like to have fun and we thrash, bash, and crash. So why not? It's a good day to try an airplane in the wind. All right, guys, here we go with the first flight of the Aeroscout. Aidan's up first with his plane. Andrew's gonna be getting his out. And what do you say, Aidan?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like it.
All right, we're gonna see if he can fly. I don't know what's gonna happen here, folks, but it's a little breezy out here. All right, Aidan, this is the first run. Oh, we have liftoff. Good job, Aidan. Keep it coming back this way. There you go. Nice. Watch the tree. Watch the tree. Man, Aidan is like, wow, nice job, bud. This is awesome. All right, just watch. Remember, the wind's gonna take it. Turn back around. Nice. All right, head back this way. Let's head back this way. Turn. Turn, Aidan. You want to come back this way. You want to come back this way, bud. Keep coming, keep coming. This way, bud. This way. All right, this way, bud. Head back. Head back. Go down, down. Down, Aidan. You want to head down. All right, now come back this way. Go down, down. Come back, turn.
I can't.
Turn.
Hard. Down.
All right, keep this way. Come back.
Go down.
Come back, Aidan.
No.
Aidan, come back this way, bud.
Can't. Hey,
Hey.
guys, I flew the plane 400 feet away.
Guys,
You can see, that's what happened. Yeah.
he ended up going way across the road. The plane, the wind caught it. It was a little too windy to be flying today, you know, like I said. But hey, these guys wanted to do it. Andrew said he's not going to fly his plane.
No.
I don't blame him. We did have some thrash, bash, and crash. I didn't get it on film. I was trying to concentrate on the plane. Aidan made it back, and it took a hard nosedive into the pavement. And definitely destroyed the front end. But hey, guys, I got to give credit to where credit is due, and Aidan, for the first time flying a plane in the wind, I got to say, Aidan, man, you did a phenomenal job. But hey, you know, at Jag RC, we do thrash, bash, and crash things. So, you know, it was still a good video. It was a great plane for beginners. Hey, you know what? We're gonna, you know, buy the parts and fix it up, and we're gonna do it again, right, Aidan?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So you know how to do it, right?
Please like and subscribe and smash that like button.
Yeah, because we got more videos coming at you guys. This was too much fun. We're definitely gonna have to fix it, but
Yeah.
we had a little bit of carnage there. All right, guys. See you guys later.